Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons and today I'm going to be talking about why recently I've started waking up earlier. So, as you can see by the title, but why? Why would I think of waking up earlier and what benefits as a budding entrepreneur, a wantrepreneur as they call it, what benefits are there for me to wake up earlier? So number one is P, and that is productivity. So as we know that we all procrastinate, we all waste time. If you actually wake up earlier, you can get more stuff done. And since when you wake up, that is the time when you have the most energy, you can put in the most effort to the hardest tasks. It links back to productivity because you can set yourself to wake up earlier, get all the hardest jobs over and done with, and by the time you're finished, it will be literally the time you would normally wake up. But this time, you know, you've got them all done, and then you've got the rest of the day to get all your little jobs. You can relax, you can chill, then, or you can even work doubly hard. You can work even more on other things that are going to lead to your success. So by doing so, you can be more productive because you can actually get more stuff done. And next is HS, and that is head start. So a lot of people may wake up late. They may wake up about 10 or 11. They may wake up about 10 or 11. But why not get up earlier? Beat the world up and give yourself a head start in the road to success. Those people you're competing against, they're getting up at 8 or 9 or 10, or some of them even in the afternoon because they're lazy. Whereas you, if you got up a bit earlier, a couple of hours earlier, you've given yourself a head start to concentrate and work on the things that matter and get yourself ahead. And finally is D, and that is discipline. So by making yourself get up and start working earlier than you normally do, it's actually like a discipline. You have to tell yourself, you know, I need to do this. If I can do this, then it's going to improve me in other areas. I'm going to have more discipline as an entrepreneur overall. And I really think just waking up earlier is a great tip for overall efficiency, again, productivity, giving yourself a head start in the game, and also for your discipline, which is an important characteristic of an entrepreneur. If you're not disciplined, you're not going to get things done and you're not going to take action. Now, the common objections to waking up earlier is obviously your health. So one thing that I kind of thought is, how much do you actually need? So some people have DNA where they need 10 hours sleep, and some people have DNA where they need 6 hours sleep. So if you really need 10 hours, then you're going to have to work around that. You're going to have to increase your efficiency when you're awake to get those 10 hours. But if you can get 6 hours sleep and you're okay, and that's fine, and you're not, you know, getting ill or anything, then why not? Because there's people out there getting like 4 hours sleep a night, and, you know, they're grinding through the night. They're absolutely fine, and it's just the way that their DNA is. So for the objection of what about my health, it's just whatever you need, and you can work around your efficiency with that. And I did a video on the day planner that I use to increase my efficiency. All you have to do, change the hours in there, make sure it's tightly packed, and you stick to it all day and get things done. But if you're wondering, how do I wake up early? So for me, I started waking up at about 6:15 from, I used to wake up about maybe 7:30, 8 o'clock. So just getting up an hour and a half, maybe an hour and a quarter earlier, it's just helped me so much. And the app I use is Alarmy. You may have heard this. It is an insane app. It's honestly so helpful. So basically, when it goes off in the morning, it plays, for me, I've set it to the sound of birds, because I don't want it to be like some really loud alarm, which they do have. They have like a bunch of horrible loud sounds. And then I've set it so I have to scan the barcode of the Daily Stoic. So this book's over here and my bed's over there. So to scan the barcode of this, I have to get up out of bed. Otherwise, the alarm goes off unlimited. So it literally forces you out of bed, and I think that's good for, again, discipline actually making sure you start the day off well. There's also other things that you have to do, so not just scan a barcode, so take a picture, do a math problem, shake your phone, stuff like that. So definitely check out the app Alarmy on your iPhone. I'm not sure if it's on Android, but either way, it is such a great app for this. And I do recommend getting up earlier, because for those of you who, you say that you're too busy in a day or you can't get enough done, just wake up an hour earlier, get all the hardest jobs done straight away, and then you've got a whole day where, you can do what you like, you can get more stuff done. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and a comment, I'd love to have a chat with you. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos on entrepreneurship, lifestyle, Amazon FBA and more. I will catch you in the next video, guys.